Hi everyone, my name's Valerie and I'm an Evolve 365 Learning Strategist at Planet Technologies. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Whiteboard to take that beautiful collaboration board that you worked so hard on and copy and paste it to reuse it as a template over and over again. It's quick and simple, so let's get started.
So here we are in Whiteboard. We've created our template. We've got the title. We've got all the sections named. We've got everything color-coded. It looks quite beautiful. So we're ready to keep this and use it over and over again for consistency. So how can we do that? We've got a couple different ways to do that. So you can go to your pen and you can lasso and you can make sure you include every piece of it in there. It will select the whole thing and you can Control-C to copy. Or even easier, if you hit Control-A to select all, it also selects everything for you there. So again, after that, Control-C and you'll copy it. Then we just need to open a new whiteboard up. Control-V will paste it onto our screen. So that's it. That's how we would continue using the same template. This way your team knows exactly what to expect every time you pull this out. They know what categories they'll need to bring ideas for. They're ready to share, and there's no sort of intro period to the meeting where you have to explain what you're doing. So really great way to collaborate. So that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you again soon. Bye.